Hey guys, and today I'll be playing with Slimi Café, and let's see what's inside. I haven't opened this before, but oh, it looks like it's squishies. Whoa, that's really cool. So I heard you could add like slime to them, so I have some of the Slimi Café's fluffy whips and swirlies and jammies. Oh, whoa, this is like a fluffy slime. Oh, that's so cool. It's like, wow. Stretch it real big. Oh, this is so cool. We can stack the squishy to a bunch of different layers. You can do a nice drizzle off the edge. This is really cool. So why don't we get to the next slime? So the next slime that I think I'm gonna try is the swirly slime. So this one, it's really like putty and clay, and it's really nice. You can mold it and stuff, and I really like this one. Next is the ORB jammies, and I really like this one because it's the most slimy out of all of them. It's like so jiggly, like, yeah, this is definitely my favorite. So let's see how it looks on the squishy. Stretch it out like so, and lay it over the squishy. And the final touch, the dollop of whipped cream. Put it on. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa. And it's really easy to clean up. All you gotta do is separate all the slimes, put them back into their package, which I think is really cool.